Alrighty, here we go. Your full weather forecast brought to you by Paramount Paving. When it comes to paving, they are Paramount. Give them a call for a free estimate today. Alrighty, we have a few gale watches in effect here. One just to the south and east of the state, located right about in here. You have to go further down to the south near Boston to see some alerts that are issued as a result as well. I wouldn't be surprised to see this area filled in at some capacity as we do proceed forward in time. But wave heights, they're still active out there at around 2 to 7 feet according to the buoy. So again, we'll be keeping an eye on how the wave heights remain active as we do proceed forward in time. But otherwise, though, look at this. We're looking quiet on land, at least at this point. So while the ocean is active, on land we're looking good. But we're going to be watching out for more active weather that will be moving in. Here's this next cold front and low pressure center right about in here, tracking from the west, going toward the east. That'll give us our next opportunity for more rain and snow that will be moving in, with the snow arriving later on tonight. Futurecast showing increasing clouds, watching that snow arriving as we head towards Friday evening. So later this evening, we'll see it move in. Then with temperatures warming, we'll see this kind of increasing or switching over to some rain. So a lot of rain possible by Saturday, maybe a wind sheet mix in a few spots too. But again, once we switch over to all rain, it can be decent at times too. We can see at least a half an inch or so of rain before we're all finished up. A little bit of snowfall too before this all clears up as we head towards early Sunday morning. As for the snowfall, it looks a little bit like this. Maybe 1-2 inches possible across the entire state before we're all finished up. So nothing too extreme, but you just might notice it, and that'll be about all with that. As for the rainfall, about a half an inch or so before we're all finished up, maybe up to 3/4 in a few areas. This takes into account the snow too if it was falling as rain. So this is how much water we could be receiving between now and when the system begins to move out. So as for today, it's not too bad. Mid-40s, increasing clouds. The winds will not be a big deal either. They'll be out of the west at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. By the time we start to get active, rain and snow showers possible. We'll start out as snow and then transition to rain. 1 to 2 inches of snow can be ruled out, with lows in the lower 30s as southeast wind getting up to about 5 to 10 miles per hour. As we move ahead towards tomorrow, staying active, lower 50s. That will feel nice, right? But a wind shear mix in some spots, mainly to the north, will switch over to all rain. Other spots will be seeing rain already. Areas of dense fog, southeast wind getting up to about 25 miles per hour. Alrighty, here's a look at your extended forecast brought to you by Paramount Paving, showing Sunday mostly sunny. That'll be nice. Highs in the upper 30s, so we're cooling off. Lower 40s on the way. Monday with a mostly cloudy sky. Partly cloudy Tuesday, highs warming into the mid-50s.